G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Holden Astra Ltz we have here. This one here has just arrived and is in absolutely stunning condition. You got front parking sensors, bonnet protector, pretty much unmarked bonnet through there. You got daytime running lights, projector headlights, front park sensors, alloy wheels, which are very minor marks on them, if any. You got chrome door handles, keyless entry, blind spot monitoring, leather trim, sunroof, and you've got the tailored carpet mats and a leather soft touch dash. Coming through in the back, you've got plenty of room for all occupants in the back. The floor mats continue into the back, and that aircon that works fantastic at the moment. You've got alloy wheels through the whole car, rear parking sensors, LTZ on the back, push button release on the back here, and look at the size of the boot on this car. There is so much room in here. You got your spare underneath there, shopping bag hook just here on the side, and it is a lined boot as well. Coming down through the side in absolutely stunning condition. Through inside, you've got heated seats, so many features, push button start, keyless entry, automatic transmission, touchscreen audio system with Apple CarPlay, and so much more. Auto lights, auto high beam, auto wipers. We look forward to seeing you soon. This car has got so many bells and whistles. It definitely will not last long.